In this video, I am going to tell you why faster decisions lead to rapid business growth. Because when you are not able to take decisions, you can't able to get results from it. To get results, you have to take action. You have to work on those plans. You have to do proper planning and take action on it, and that's how you get results. Either it can be a good result or it can be a bad result. We will talk further which faster decisions can lead to your business rapid growth. Okay, so I am Prash Agrawal, business coach, entrepreneur, influencer, marketing specialist. So let's start the video. First step is that don't procrastinate the things. That's our human tendency that we procrastinate the things a lot. We know that this thing will work a lot and this can generate a huge amount of money for our business, for our entrepreneurship journey, but we still procrastinate these things. There's a reason. That's the human tendency. But if you can push yourself and do the things which really you have to do in your business, because in a business you have to take a lot of actions, you have to learn a lot of things to pursue in that journey. There will be many failures, many setbacks in that journey. You have to understand which thing works, which doesn't, and how to overcome these failures and these setbacks. If you are not able to overcome these things, your community will leave you, and without the community you can't grow in the business. Because in the business there are lots of departments, and in these departments there are huge number of teams working in these department to make your business growth, to make your business accountable, to make your business work. Okay, I already told you have to make a relationship with these persons. If you don't saw that video will be pop out in the in that section. Just go through that video. You don't have to procrastinate the things. You have to take action on the things, because you are an operator of the business. You are the operator of the business, and the things are depends on you. You have the data, you have the accountability of your business, and according to these data, these given data, you have to take decisions. It doesn't depend whether it's right or it's wrong. If this thing works, if this decision works, you get a result, good result. If this thing does not work, you get a bad result, and you can learn from these bad results, so you can't do that mistake again in your future. Okay, so always take decision. It's depend on a time, how much time it will take to execute, and after that you will get the results. Because in business we always seek for a long-term plan. We don't seek for a short-term plan, and because of those long-term plans, whatever the actions we are taking, it takes up to a month, it takes up to 6 months, it takes up to a year to get these action turns into a result. Either it is bad or it is good. It depends on you how you can overcome with these results. Okay, so don't procrastinate, take the results. There is a beautiful story about this procrastinating of Ratan Tata. You already know the Ratan Tata, owner of the Jaguar company. I will tell you about that story. There was a time when he is coming from the meeting in his car, and there was a driver who is driving that car. Okay, when they are driving on a highway, there is a huge windstorm in front of them. In front of them, there is a huge windstorm, and the driver said to the Ratan Tata, "So we have to stop in that journey, and we have to delay the meeting. We have to stop until this windstorm gets dampened." Okay, because many people stop their cars and waiting the for that windstorm to get dampened. Many people get harmed from this windstorm who just go through that highway, and 90% people get stopped, because they think if they continue their path and the windstorm is in the highway, that windstorm definitely get hurt them. But what Ratan Tata replied, "Just drive the car slowly, slowly." Driver said, "Sir, there is a windstorm, we have to stop. Everyone is stopped in their path. We also have to stop, otherwise we will get harmed from this windstorm." But Ratan Tata replied, "Drive slowly, slowly." Driver drives, and after driving up to 10 meters, he again said, "Sir, there is a storm, we have to stop. We have to stop the car. We have to delay the meeting." Ratan Tata said, just go with the flow, and drive the car slowly, slowly." And when there is a distance of minimum 5 meters between the windstorm and the car, driver stopped the car and said, "So we have to stop. We have to stop, otherwise we will lose our life." And what Ratan Tata replied, "Just go. Just drive the car slowly, slowly." And by doing that thing, they crossed that windstorm, and the driver have a great smile on his face and asked Ratan Tata, "How do you know that we can cross that windstorm?" And Ratan Tata replied, "I don't. I don't know that we can cross that milestone, but we have to pursue that journey, because people procrastinate the action. If you procrastinate the action, how you can get the results? So he said there are lots of person, 90% people get stopped from that milestone, and they can't get that much in their journey. We have to go for a meeting, and we can't wait. There are lots of hurdles, there are lots of problems in our journey, but that doesn't mean people stop for it because of that. So there's an inspiration story from Ratan Tata. You just have to pursue that journey. There will be a lot of hurdles or a lot of problems in your journey, but you have to go from them. Second type is community ethics. Because you are building a business, there are lots of communities, lots of teams involved in your business. So you have to work for them. You have to know how to take work from them in a right manner. Many people can take work from them, but not in a proper manner. To grow a business, you must be accountable. You must take proper actions to grow that business. Okay. And in this ways, you have to understand the meaning of leadership skills. Leadership skills is the skills. That's how you can make people work. That's how you can take work from them. That's how you can give them faith on yourself. Because when you don't have leadership skills, you can't pursue your business journey too far. Okay. Always work on your leadership skills. That's how you can grow your community, and always care for your community, because this community will grow your future. This community will grow your business in the future. Always care for that community. Always love that community. Okay. If you hire and fire is in your hand, you are doing business, hire and fire is in your hand. You have to understand which people can work in your business, which doesn't. You have to understand where you have to say no, where you have to say yes. If you are not able to judge the people, either this person is beneficial for my business or not, either this person has that skill or not, you can't grow your business. You must be understand that there is a skill you acquire, judgmental skills. How you can judge that person, that either is this person is right for your business. If you judge them properly, this will definitely grow your business. After judging them, after giving them their job, this is your responsibility. How can you take out the work from that person for your business? How you can help them to increase their skill level to grow your business. You can't go far by yourself. You have to go far with your community. Okay. Always care for them. That's how your business grow. You have to train your community how to do proper follow, because people are not able to convert the peoples to buy your product or service, because their people do a lot of advertisement through ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, etc. There was an example. My friend who run ads of $1,000 get around 1,000 leads and only able to convert 20 leads with just 2%. He was only able to convert 20 leads, and I asked, what about the 98%? He said, I talked about it. I said, do you talk really with them that why don't they purchase your product or service? He said, I talked about 30% of them. And I said, that's how you're gonna grow your business? He said, no. So always make follow-up, always teach the peoples of your community how to do proper follow-up, how to do proper communication with the persons, because these person can make their sales, can do the sales, and that's how the cash flow comes in your company. Okay. Third tip is that you have to push yourself and to push your community. Yes, pushing is so important in the business factor, because in business you have to take a lot of actions. If you are not able to take a lot of action, you are not able to grow massive money. Okay. Because there is a phase when you are not getting result, you are putting too much efforts. You are putting 90 to 99% efforts, and you are just getting 10 to 1%, 1 to 10% money. In this phase, you stop yourself, or the community gets dampened, that we are working a lot, but we are not getting results. You have to understand that business is a long-term process. It takes up to a year, 2 years, or up to 5 years to grow your business. So always work on long-term plan. Always motivate your community. Always help them to get these massive actions, so they can get huge results. Okay. Decide which thing works, which doesn't, because maybe that's a problem, that people are working on those things which really don't need to be in the business. Okay. And the fourth tip is how to attract the customers. That's the most important thing you want to know, how to attract the customers. First of all, you have to understand that you have to cover all the social media platforms. You have to cover all the social media platforms, put out more and more content on all social media platforms. That's how more and more people know about you. And I already told you, attention is customer money. Okay, I already told you, attention is customer money. You have to understand how communication skills work. If you are not able to communicate to a person, to a customer properly, that's not he or she can give you money, exchange of your content, exchange of your product or service. Okay, you have to understand communication skills matters. Whatever the person you are hiring in your sales or marketing department or in any department, that person must be good in his or her communication skills, or he or she have to acquire these skills. Because in business you have to work on communication skills, management skills and leadership skills. Okay, apart from this, when you are putting more and more content to the platform, so you don't have to do you don't have to advertise a lot. There are lots of platforms where the organic reach is high, like LinkedIn, TikTok, and the many apps like this. You can put out more content on these platforms because their organic reach is high. Let's suppose you are putting content once in a day and the organic reach is high, but after a year the organic reach gets low, and you thought that if I put four times content four times in a day, I will get more followers, I will get more people who convert in my services. Don't get fucking regret. Don't regret about their decisions or about their problems. Don't regret on your decision. Just learn from them and see what thing works, what doesn't. I hope this thing worked for you. This will definitely help you to grow your business or your community. And always remember, aware the customers about your product or service and compel them to buy your product or service. If you are able to generate the pain of the person, and you just have to give them solution by your product or service. Either you are in network marketing, either you are in business, either you are in entrepreneurship journey, either you are in influencer marketing journey. You just have to take out the pain of the customer and you have to give them solution through your product or service. First you have to take out the pain. Okay, thank you. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel, tap on the bell icon so you can get my video first, and these pro tips can help you to grow your business massively. Okay, so just subscribe to my channel and share that video to the person who needs to hear this, who are getting problems in their business or who are not able to generate more profit from their business.